Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to fix Epic Games connection error, issues and problems on Windows 11 or 10. So to resolve this problem, open any web browser and, visit this site statusepicgames.com and find out any internal problem or system operational. If you see anything here, so wait till this resolve. And if you not see any problem here, so close it and click on start, type cmd, right click on command prompt, run as administrator. Now here type ipconfig space / flush DNS, press enter. Net sh winsock reset, press enter and restart your PC. Hopefully guys, using this method it will fix and resolve. After restart still you are facing problems, so try third method. Click on start. Now here click on start settings. Now here guys, you have to click on network and internet, advanced network settings, network reset, then click on reset now. So after that restart your PC or laptop again. Hopefully guys, now after restart you can fix and resolve Epic Games problem. Thanks for watching and please comment any method work for you or not.